17 online. This is Caitlin Worth, the instructor for the class. This video is meant to give you a little tour and help familiarize you with the online course and the expectations for it. So we are in the course Moodle site. This is where the entire course will take place. Everything is posted here. There is no other sites that you'll need to visit. Everything is built in directly into Moodle. So we have our top block here where I have class announcements and the syllabus and other documents. And then if you scroll down a bit, you see this first block is for course resources. And when we expand that, we see that there is a link to course lecture videos. That will bring you to a YouTube playlist that contains all of the lectures for the course. And you are going to use the weekly checklists that I'll show you in just a minute to know which lectures to watch in a given week. And you're going to use the packets posted in each week to take notes on the lectures. Then we have the Math Studio drop-in hours. There are some Zoom hours and some on-campus hours. To get to the Zoom hours, you just click this link here. And then there's a link to the peer tutoring website. You can use the link to make an appointment, or you can call their number. So that's what we've got for course resources. Then if you open the week of July 12th to July 18th, we have just a little orientation week. And just like every week, the orientation week opens with a to-do list. So if we click on that, we have all the things that you were supposed to do this week. Watch the course intro video, which you're watching right now. Read all the documents in the syllabus and other documents folder. Post in the introductions forum. Complete the syllabus quiz in Moodle, and complete and submit the orientation project. So you'll notice that everything you need to complete the to-do list, all the items that the to-do list refers to, all appear right underneath the to-do list. So we've got the course intro video, we've got the project, we have a couple of tutorials for the project, the syllabus quiz, and the discussion forum. All of our weeks will follow this format: a to-do list followed by all the items you need to complete the to-do list, aside from possibly the course lecture videos, which we know appear up here in the course resources, and maybe your textbook. So let's take a look at the following week, our first week of math material. And it follows the same pattern. We have a to-do list. And these to-do lists actually count for part of your grade. You need to check off these items as you do them. And you can see you have a percentage across the top. And part of your grade is called classwork/homework. And that is going to be measured by what you check off on these checklists. That's 5% of your grade. So that's your to-do list for the week, and then you have all the items that you need to complete the to-do list. We have a packet where you can take notes on the course lecture videos. It's just a template for taking notes on the course lecture videos. You don't have to take notes in here. You can also just take notes in a notebook. But each lecture video begins with a demo. Make this a little bit bigger. Begins with a demo, and that's usually, a page or 2 or 3. And then when the demo's over, you have a set of activities. So your checklist will always say, watch the lecture video and take notes. Then work through the activities that follow the demo. So you would work through these without the assistance of a video. You do have the answers, so you can check your work as you go. They're back here. And then if you get stuck on any of these, there are videos in the course playlist that you can go back and watch to help you figure anything out that you couldn't figure out. So that's your packet. And then we have a Chapter 1 homework assignment. Okay, so it's just one really big problem. And then we have the Chapter 1 homework solutions all worked out. And then we have the Chapter 1 quiz, which will look very much like the Chapter 1 homework. Not identical, but very, very similar questions. And your chapter quizzes are worth 45% of your grade, and you get 2 attempts for each quiz. So you get to take it twice and use the better of the 2 grades. And then your discussion forum. So this is what weeks where we're learning new material, this is what they'll look like pretty much. But there are also weeks where we will be working on projects, like week 3, where we'll be doing a voting project. So the to-do list for this week is short. It is just download, complete, and submit project 1 and post in the discussion forum. And then here's project 1, conduct a vote. If you click on that, you can see the due date. And the project itself is linked right here as a PDF file. And then those are the only 2 kinds of weeks, new material weeks and project weeks. And they tend to alternate, but that is not always the case. That's our voting project week. And then we do weighted voting, which is new material. Apportionment, which is new material, follows the same pattern. And then we have an apportionment project. And then financial math, same pattern of any new material weeks. And then finally, a financial project. So I mentioned quizzes are 45% of your grade. Projects are another 45% of your grade. Classwork homework is 5%. And the discussion forums are 5%. And to get full credit for discussion forums, you need to post at least once a week. And it doesn't have to be an earth-shattering post, just any insight, observation, connection you've made, question that you have based on the material from that week. And that is just about it. I want to point out that these homework assignments, you do not have to hand these in or show them to me. These are self-reported. So you will tell me that you did these by checking it off in your to-do list, right? Complete the Chapter 1 homework posted in Moodle and check your answers using the posted solutions. So when you check that off, I will know that you did that assignment and you don't have to hand it in. I'm going to be checking your comprehension and that you've been doing the homework by these quizzes that are graded and are worth 45% of your grade. So the homework is really to help you prepare for those quizzes, and you don't hand it in. So that is just about it for the course. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Let's have a great semester together.